Oh my god, what's in the basket?
And they got these.
Oh,
This is
cheese
Landon.
sticks.
This is Landon's. Wait. Let mommy open yours, Logan.
I'm looking at how they open this.
Yes, Brandon. Open the card. Take the card off and open the card. You know how to open that.
Open.
Here, Logan. This one's yours. No, this one's yours. Logan, this one's yours.
There's boogers on the top.
There's boogers?
Yeah. Would you wipe it?
That's a brother's booger. Yeah? You want to read what Gma wrote you?
Open.
Open. Hang on.
Watch out, Logan. Sit down.
And I got Spider-Man coloring book.
Oh my god.
Open.
Want me to read what Gma wrote for you? Look, it says for a great boy.
Open.
She said, Braden, this happy duck says hi there, and then he wants to say he hopes a boy as great as you has one terrific day. Have a fun Easter. Love, Gma. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you take this off of me?
You want to open the phone?
Wow. And mommy, look, mommy.
Cool. Maybe you can sit down and color.
Yeah, that's what I need. And I got this for cereal.
What is that?
Yeah,
What is that, Braden? What kind of cereal is that?
Fruit Loops.
Oh my god.
Yeah, pop it in.
Oh my god, what is that? That's another one.
Open.
It's another cereal.
And Cocoa Krispies.
What? Is that your favorite cereal?
Yeah. That's my favorite cereal. This
Look,
one.
she even sent you crayons for your coloring book. So mommy doesn't have to dig out the other ones.
Sandy making them food for mommy.
New socks. Cool.
And there's like. And what's
Here.
this?
Chocolate. You gotta take the wrapper off first.
He just goes at it. I'll dispose of the garbage later.
What's your? Can I open mine?
You want to say anything to Gma?